This is the moment you've all been waiting for. If you've been following my channel at all, if you're new here, my name's Josh and this is Josh Tries. And right now I'm trying sewing. This may just end up being a sewing channel because I've really been enjoying sewing. So this motor will go to this machine behind me right here. This is a Consew 202R. This is a table. This here is a table that I just got from a friend. Mine is very warped in the middle. So this will replace that. This is the motor that is going to replace my clutch motor, and I wanted to open it on camera with you. And then I may this video may extend to like installation and stuff too, because I don't want to just do an unboxing standalone. But let's go ahead and get started. I got this off of Amazon, if you can tell by the box. I think I checked. Amazon usually has a box that says like, hey, I don't mind if we just use the manufacturer packaging. I checked that box and they still put it in an Amazon box, but that's okay. Here is the manufacturer box. Hopefully it was like right side up and everything in the Amazon box, because I know a lot of the time shippers, Amazon, they're not super careful with stuff. And with something like this, yeah, I already see, I don't know if you can see it, there's already, you can tell where the box got dropped and something hard hit this piece of styrofoam that came out of the box. So, could be a bummer. We'll have to wait and see. I've got a box of the mounting hardware. Looks like a brake pad, some screws and stuff, and then a fuse was just kind of sitting loose in that compartment as well. And then these are the brush motors. I don't know if they're extra or if these are the one, if I have to like install it. Hopefully there will be instructions if so. And this will be our pulley guard, I believe. And that came in the top there. Nothing else on that. Yeah, this, oh, maybe this looks okay. This definitely got dropped. So here is the motor. My dog will join us. I don't know if she'll appear on the camera, but she just came out into the garage where I'm filming. This is where I do my sewing. I'll show you guys if I can get this styrofoam out. There are a couple broken bits on the styrofoam already. So that tells me that there was some damage in shipping. This piece here is broken, and there's a big crack right here as well, and you can tell there's an indentation. It is not a part of the mold there, and there's quite a bit of damage and cracking around this side. So let's see, is this instructions? That's a parts indicator list. Newly designed type of servo motor, industrial clutch motor. Okay. Okay, installation and operation. Mount the motor directly to the table using the supplied mounting bolts. Okay. Connect the pedal to the speed adjusting arm using the speed control rod at a straight line, it says. And then connect to the appropriate electrical outlet. Select rotation, width, rotation, speed on motor. Save this manual. Okay. Let's open this piece first and see if there's anything very obviously broken. This motor did come to me recommended by a friend, so it's not the cheapest one on Amazon, but it's also not the most expensive one on Amazon. It was $130 as of the time of this recording, like $129.99. It has gone up $10 since I first started looking at it when he first told me to buy it. But he kind of restores sewing machines, and this is a brand that he's used before. He has a more personal relationship with the company, so he trusts them a lot. Okay, that seems good. All right, well, yeah, everything looks good. Nothing looks broken. Motors, it's not like caught up or anything. The motor spins freely. There's some like, oh, that's because the brake was on. Yeah, it spins freely. So we're good there. I think it looks like just some casting defects. Yeah, that looks fine too. Okay. There's a little bit of a bummer. There is already some wear from shipping. There's some wear on the paint there, but nobody's ever going to see that once it's under the machine. I'll open these parts, show you guys what all we get. Looks like we've got 3 of these rubber boots. I think these are to help with vibrations once it's installed. With a motor like this, well, the clutch motor, it really makes sense, but this one probably isn't all that necessary. Cork brake pad, mounting bolts. These go through the table. And then an assortment of washers and screws, cable management, lock washers. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. And I'm guessing I don't have to do anything with these yet. I'll keep them in a safe place. These are replacement brushes for the motor. Brushed motors have to be replaced every now and then. I don't know what the interval for these will be. I am not a super serious seamster, so I don't anticipate ever needing to change those, but I have them in case I do. All right, well, I think next I will clean off this table, and to make it easy to install this, we'll just put this up here. All right, easy enough. I hope you guys can see this. I think you will be able to. So there's 3 holes here. These are the mounting holes for the motor. You can tell because the pulley will be here, and this is where the belt goes. So we will pop these bolts on the underside here. I guess I should have done these first. Yeah. Okay, those are in, and that one. Okay, that was easy enough. I think this goes maybe like this. All right. I hope I don't need to mount the legs first because I'm not going to. Yeah, it looks like there will be some adjustability there. I'll just try and line it up centered on the... It's close. Real close. Then I can make the adjustments once I get it, down. Get the machine on it and all actually installed. I think it's probably flat washers next, and then it'll be lock washers. And then our nuts. Don't know what size wrench these would be. I'm gonna check on the video anyway, grab a wrench. I have a feeling it's gonna be metric. It's 14 millimeter. I'm gonna really tight it down too much. You know, I'll do this. This doesn't seem like one. I don't know if it's damaged or anything. I'll grab it. There it goes. All right, I think that's good and attached. For this part where the on switch goes, let's see where it used to be. Looks like it used to be right there, if I had to guess. But my screws are not going to work with that. See, this one is just right underneath the pulley side. So this would be the right approximate area. I think I will wait to mount that after I get the legs on, just to make sure. I feel like my other cord is longer as well. Not that it's a huge deal, but yeah, that'll go somewhere about like that. And then these will be used to hold it in place. This is for these 3 screws. These small screws are for the pulley cover. So I'm going to put these all away for now. Same with the brake. All right, guys. Well, I think I'm actually going to turn this off because I've got to do some disassembly on this table and machine before I get it all put back together. So I will do that, and then it'll either be later tonight or tomorrow when I start actually filming some more. So I might be in different clothes or something, but I'm trying not to let too much time pass because I really would like to get this up and going. So. Alright guys, I just finished up sewing my first project on this new machine. Made a little pouch for a good friend of mine. He also, I guess it's a meme, he wanted a thing to put beans in, so I made this. That was actually the first one, and then I made the other one. I based my first one on this one, which is a scepter gear pouch. I might put a video out about that project, but I wanted to show you guys the machine build here. So that is the new motor. I'm comfortable with where it's set here. Looks like about 970, and then it's still variable with that. The belt that I got is just a V belt from the auto parts store. I didn't want to order one on Amazon and have to wait. This light is from Amazon as well. It's just magnetic, and there's an on switch down here. But when I turn on the machine with that button there, it turns on the light because there's an outlet on the back of the motor. I did have to drill some new holes for this knee lift on this new table. Turn that light off so you can see better. This is a new table. The old one is right there. But the new table is here. It's a little bit longer than the other one. But yeah, so I had to drill some holes for the knee lift. And I am very, very pleased with this machine now. We'll turn it on. And let's turn that off. So I don't think you guys will need that. But I don't have any scrap fabric right here. So let me pull that thread out. I don't want to make a huge mess. But so they can go very slowly. Turn this up so that I can, it's not rubbing. That's the top speed at the current speed on the motor, but that is pretty much plenty for me right now. This does have reverse. I got a new bobbin winder from a friend of mine as well. So guys, I am super happy with this. I'm sorry I didn't film putting it all together. I started it and I was like, man, this is going to be way more difficult than I thought it was going to be. So I did film the unboxing and you'll see that. I'll turn this around here so you can see me. So yeah, I am very, very happy with how this turned out. It was super easy to make these pouches on this now that it's slowed way down. This is what that's for, by the way. This isn't a can of beans because I don't have any cans of beans right now, but this is the meme. So hopefully he likes it. He doesn't know that I'm actually making it. He jokingly asked me to make him a pouch, a Molly pouch for beans. So I decided to do it for his birthday. Like, follow, subscribe, comment. I am looking forward to making some more sewing project videos for you guys. I started another channel that was focused solely on ham radio. My first couple of videos here were all about ham radio, or making things for ham radio, for like organizing cables and stuff. So that's really one of my biggest passions right now. So I started a new channel for that because I made like 6 or 7 sewing videos in a row, including shorts, talking about this machine mostly. And it just makes sense to kind of separate those two out. I know people say not to do that, but my call sign in ham radio is KE9ABT, and that ABT part, is kind of like shorthand text for about. So I called the channel All About Ham Radio, All ABT Ham Radio. So I think that was fun, and it just was kind of begging to be used that way. So go check that channel out if you're interested, and thanks for watching, and we'll talk to y'all later. This is Josh Tries, and I'm Josh. Thanks.